Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so very much for joining me. I really hope you're having an amazing day today. Guys, everybody in the UK obviously got a £100 is it local spend voucher? So it's a high street voucher from the government, which was very well received. I've got my voucher and I decided to spend a little bit of it, but I also decided to show you guys just what I picked up with part of my local spend voucher. I spent my voucher in a couple of places, so I'm going to split this over two videos, but I will link the other videos in the description box under the video. But the first haul that I have is part Primark and part a local convenience store. So it's definitely spent in my local area, and it was spent in two places. So guys, I am super excited to show you guys what I got. The first thing I got was this amazing bag. This bag is a reusable bag. It cost £1. I have a fascination and a love of decorative skulls. Not real ones, plaster ones, but I saw this bag and I definitely had to have it. I haven't seen one like this before and I love it. So this little bag cost me £1 and I love it. So we're going to throw this bag off to the side. And guys, I'm going to show you what I got first and foremost from Primark. I didn't pick a whole lot up in Primark. And I haven't spent my whole voucher. I'm kind of hoping to go back to Primark when they have more Christmassy items in and spend the rest of my voucher there. But let me show you guys what I got. I'm super excited. So Primark have these gorgeous jumpers in at the moment. They are super, super baggy, just so you guys know. They have this little jumper in two different colors. They're just a crew neck jumper, but I generally tend to take this crew neck off and cut it along the shoulder to give me a more off-shoulder style. I love doing this with all of my Primark sweaters that I get. You can see the inside of this is fleecy, super nice and warm for winter. And I just love this color, the shape. It is exceptionally baggy. This little top was £12, which I think is lovely. It's a total bargain. Amazing puffball long sleeves, and it says on it, I just thought this was so cute. It says on the top, if you're reading this, have a great day. And then at the bottom, it says, give the world good energy. I just thought this was so cute. Guys, this jumper looks on screen, because I can see it right now. It looks orange. It isn't. It is this deep, almost foam pillar box red. It is so cute. It is so baggy, and it's going to be adorable to wear over winter. So that was my first item. I then purchased another jumper. I do like just a plain black jumpers. You guys have probably seen these from Primark on my channel multiple times, pretty much along the same lines. It's just a straight black crew neck jumper. Super long sleeves, which I love. Again, I will cut the neck on this just to give it a bit more shape. I do like to buy these jumpers and then do my own thing with them. So the black one is awesome for that, because if I wanted to put a print on the front, I can. This little jumper, I think, was only £7. This jumper was only £5. So that is a super bargain. And it's just a long black, no, you're not getting the full effect, but just a long black sweater that I was super, super excited about. I'll show you guys all of my Primark items, and then we'll go ahead and show you the rest of the things that I bought from just a local shop, just a convenience store. So guys, if you have not tried this stuff, it is awesome. It's so awesome. I bought 3. I do have one I'm currently using, but it is almost empty, and I wanted to make sure that they didn't run out, so I bought 3. So we'll leave 2 here. This is the PS Futures Bright. It's featherweight gel moisturizer, and I love a gel moisturizer. Let me see if I can pull it forward for you guys. It's gel hydrant ultra. I don't know what that is, sorry, but it's got hyaluronic acid. It's watermelon pineapple extracts, and it hydrates the skin. Guys, this stuff is outstanding. My sister actually put me onto this. She said it was amazing. It dries into your skin. It leaves your skin feeling so soft. And I've noticed, I've been using my one for probably about a month. And I can definitely tell that my skin looks a lot more plump, hydrated, and that my little fine wrinkles are starting to kind of become less noticeable. I don't know if you guys have tried it. I don't know if you guys are allergic to any of the ingredients, but I will turn the box around and you guys can pause it. And if there's any ingredients in it that you can't use, please just be mindful of that. But for me, this is fine. It totally works okay. And I love this because it's only £3 and you're getting a 45ml tube. Let me just show you guys what it's like. But I love it. I absolutely love it. So this is the tube. Let me show you the moisturizer. The moisturizer is super light, super creamy, and it blends into the skin. I can never get these lids on properly. It blends into the skin so well. But I'm in love with it. I love it so much. I've bought 3 just to make sure that it's in stock. And that's it. Almost gone. It is so super absorbent. So I find that awesome. Next thing that I purchased are these slipper socks. Guys, you have seen these before. I'm not going to talk too much about them, but they are £2 a pair. They're the most comfortable slipper socks I've ever owned in my life. I just think they are super comfortable because they've got the memory foam at the bottom, quite thick soles. They come right around your foot and keep your feet warm, which is so important for Christmas, or so important in the winter, even for Christmas. They have the little bits at the bottom that stop you sliding, and they work. And they're made using recycled material. I don't know if the slippers are made from recycled material, probably just the label. But I take a size 6. These are size 6 to 8, so they're spot on for me. And they're just so super, super comfortable. But these are an awesome gift. If you guys have your local spend voucher and you guys want to buy little stocking fillers, £2 a pair, I think these are pretty darn awesome. And guys, it was so easy. When I first went to Primark, I mean, I don't like to assume that all shops take these local spend voucher. So I always ask. I just think that's a way for me to know. And when I was in Primark today, they were super nice. They were... Yes, we take the voucher. It's so good to see so many people coming back into the city centre. So it was pretty nice. And it was super easy. It was super easy to use the card. So that's pretty awesome. Guys, 2 more items that I purchased from Primark. And then I'm going to get on to what I bought in the local convenience store. So the first thing that I purchased, I have never used this type of contour before. So I decided to pick it up and see what it's like. This costs £2.50, but for the £2.50 you get a ton of product. You're getting 11 grams of product. This lasts me such a long time because I only contour under my chin and down my cheekbones and around my forehead and then just feather that in. This lasts so long. I normally wear a colour that's called chocolate. I tend to keep my foundation quite light, so vanilla or like a light beige. And then I just use this contour, which blends perfectly with my foundation. But I've never used this one. This one is Honey. This was the darkest color that they had. I don't think it's as dark as I would normally wear, just to give the contour a bit more definition. But I'm going to try it out. And if I try it out before I put this video out, I will let you guys know what I think. But I think it'll work fine. I mean, it's quite a decent amount of product, and I definitely needed another one. And then I picked this up. So I picked this up because it was on offer. I tend to do that a lot when I'm in Primark. So this little Sun-Kissed Glow Body Illuminating Oil, coconut fragrance, which is awesome, was down from £4 to £1. I just want to take the little label off to see what it says underneath, because I hate whenever shops put labels over the branding. I prefer that they put it on the bottom, because the bottom, it's super easy, and you know kind of what you're buying. But I just wanted to take this little label off so we can see what's going on under here. But I wanted to show you guys that I did get it for £1. Let me see. Oh, come off. This is taking so long just to pop this off. This actually, I didn't even want. I just saw the shimmer. I thought, ooh, we'll try that. We'll buy that. So this says that it's a champagne shimmer. It says shake well, and it just says PS. So nothing really elaborate underneath the label at all. But this is the back. You're getting 55 milliliters of product, which is decent. And I always like picking little things like this up. I don't know if I would necessarily use it, but I would put this into potentially a future giveaway. So I just thought I would pick it up. It's a lot of fun. I loved the color. Look at that gorgeous burnt orange at the bottom going into that super shimmer. So that is everything that I purchased with my local spend voucher from Primark. I'm now going to show you guys what I purchased. I'm just going to get them out of the bag because it's very noisy. And I want to show you guys the bag because I did purchase this also today. So I purchased all of this, and it's all food. It's all food. I purchased all of this food at a local convenience store. It is called Urban Fresh. Urban Fresh in Belfast City Centre has an amazing array of inexpensive things, and they open it's different. I love the shop. There's always a little bargain to be had. So I'm going to show you guys what I picked up. It's all food. So they had 6 packs of little mini Oreos, little individual packs, and they had 6 packs for £1. So I purchased 6 packs of the little mini Oreos. These are always fantastic for me to have around the house for when my nephews come up and they always ask for Oreos. Oreos are not my biscuit. They're not my biscuit. I don't like Oreos. Never have. But my nephews and nieces love Oreos. And I just rarely pick them up because I don't eat them. Maybe that would be a good thing. If I don't pick them up, I won't eat them. If I did pick them up and had them here, I wouldn't eat them. But 6 packs for £1, I think, is a pretty awesome deal. So guys, that's Urban Fresh. It's in Belfast City Centre. If you guys are in and around Belfast City Centre, I honestly encourage you to go there. The shop is outstanding. The next thing that I purchased, never tried these before, are these Bobby's Pretzel Crunch. So they're smashed up pretzels with flavouring, and I picked up 2 honey and mustard. I've never tried these before, so I thought they would be interesting, but they're just literally crushed pieces of pretzels. You got 2 packs for £1. I thought, why not? Try them and see if I like them. So that's my next purchase. You guys know, if you've watched my channel, I am in love with foods from different countries, especially Japan. I have a huge Japanese crush, I think. It's somewhere I've always wanted to visit. It's definitely on my bucket list, and I just love their food. I love their food. I love their culture. I love how they are as people. They're so interesting to me personally. So when I was in Urban Fresh, I did notice that Urban Fresh do a lot of Japanese food. I would tend to order a sushi candy box. Sorry, it is a Japanese snack box made by a company called Sushi Candy. They're usually with delivery around £10 to £15 for 20 items. And I always buy them. I buy them a lot because I love trying different types of Japanese food. But I noticed that Urban Fresh have some Japanese food. I hope these are Japanese. I think they are. They may not be, but I think they are. So they have a huge array of Japanese food. So I'm going to start going there and building up my own little box, and then do a total haul and taste. So check out that video coming up in the future. But for my haul and taste, I picked up 2 of these. I do not know what these are because it doesn't say anywhere really in English. I think that they are a seaweed roll with some sort of squid or octopus flavouring, but I'm not sure. But these little they're made by Big Panda. They're called a roll stick. They've got these gorgeous pandas at the bottom. And this is what I love about Japanese packaging. It is always so colourful. It is always interesting, and it always makes me buy it. I don't know why it does, but it always does. So I picked up two. I'm not going to try these right now. In fact, guys, I'm not going to open any of the food right now, but I do intend to do like a haul and try. So do keep watching my channel. That will be coming up hopefully in the near future. But how interesting do these look? Totally happy with those. And guys, the last thing I bought from the local shop, it's something that I hear about on YouTube all the time. People talk about these, I think, like crisp snacks. I've never tried them. I've never seen them anywhere in Belfast, but I did find them in Urban Fresh and I was super excited. They're Takis. I have never tried a Taki in my life. Never, ever even seen these kind of things. But these are called new Takis. They're Fugo, if I've said that right. I don't know if I have. But they're chili and lime, artificially flavoured fried corn rice. This bag, normally it's 180 grams, by the way, guys. And it does say the heat is extreme. Oh dear, that might not go well for me. But I'm going to try them anyway in my haul and try. Face the intensity. I like that. That's so funny. These little Takis were £2.45. Now, normally, I would not pay £2.45 for a bag of chips this size. I just wouldn't. However, I have wanted to taste these for the longest time. I've wanted to have a pack for the longest time. So I'm super excited that I've got these. I'm hoping these are going to still be around in my try and haul, but I might eat these and buy another packet. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm super excited I got these. I'm super excited to try them. I do know Takis have made a blue Taki. I haven't seen them anywhere in the north of Ireland, anywhere. So if I'm able to pick those up somewhere, I might get those and put them in the try and haul as well. So guys, I'm super excited. Favorite item of this entire haul, apart from this red jumper. That is also my favorite. So guys, this is just part of what I've spent some of my local spend voucher on. I really, really hope you enjoyed everything that I purchased. I really hope you liked this video. And if you did, please smash that like button. Every time you guys hit that like button, it really helps support my channel and I super appreciate it. If you're not yet a subscriber, come ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here. And if you want to be notified of any future videos, don't forget about the notification bell. I hope you guys have the most amazing day. Thank you so much for allowing me to share what I've spent my local voucher, my local spend voucher, part of it on for you. And thanks so much for watching. Take care, everybody. I'm going to catch you next time. Bye.